Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another new super early airdrop, and the name of the project is xStocks by Backed. This airdrop could be huge. Nasdaq is using their framework for tokenized stocks. They have already raised 12.7 million in funding and the airdrop rewards are confirmed, so don't miss this. Also, if you check their investors, you'll see lots of top ventures backing them. Kraken is also backing them, so their backend is solid. If you check their X profile, you'll see they have 28k followers right now, so they are trying to build a strong community, which is a positive sign. Let me explain a bit more about their project. Their tagline is investing designed for everyone. Basically, they are turning normal stocks and ETFs into blockchain-based tokens called xStocks, so they can be traded on crypto platforms instead of traditional stock exchanges. If you want more information, you can visit their website. Before I show you how you can participate, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel for all crypto and airdrop updates. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description. You will find the website link there. After coming here, first agree to their terms. Then here you can see they clearly mention get ready for X points. That means soon the X points program will start for a limited time. There's also a 20% points boost if you register before the program begins. So to join, click here on connect wallet, then choose any Solana based wallet. I will select Phantom wallet here, then choose the Solana network and click on connect. Next, click here on secure your boost, then confirm the request and you are done. Next, here you will find the refer a friend option. You can copy this link and share it with your friends. So that's all for this video. For all the updates, make sure to keep an eye on our Telegram channel. Please like and share this video. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.